Get.
Oh. Oh, and here's Donna
gosh.
trying to cheat out on the cinnamon challenge.
Okay, that's enough. Oh gosh.
Why she's doing this, I don't know.
Because I've seen all of the videos on freaking YouTube. And, you know, I think I have balls enough to get it done.
Let's just give her a glass of water.
Yes, on the side, please. Yeah, like I said, this is Gabby. 24 years old. I'm about to try the cinnamon challenge. Tablespoon of cinnamon. We're about to do it.
Huh.
Oh gosh. Okay, ready?
Why she's doing this, we don't know.
Oh gosh. Ah. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Oh shit. Oh shit, my throat is clogged. Oh fuck. That was disgusting. And I threw up. Oh my fucking god. That's the fucking grossest thing ever. Oh. Oh, fuck. I think I have it coming out my nose.
Angry dragon.
Oh. Yeah. No, I tried and I failed. Fuck that.